This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically these great Cafe Vision click and lock containers and lids. Now, the containers and lids are sold separately, so you want to make sure you get the matching lids for your containers and you'll be good to go. We have the 17-ounce size, which you can see is great for little sides and petite portions, and the 34-ounce size, which is going to be great for small meals and side dishes and salads and such. So these are made of sturdy and stylish paper bases with a tapered design and clear lids that lock into place using these 4 tabs, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the boxes come like this, and you'll see there's a little perforated line there, and you can just quickly fold those back and down, and that provides your little 4 tabs for your lid to lock into place. And then it'll be easy just to get that slipped down on there, and you have then a nice secure lid on top of your to-go containers with a beautiful crystal clear finish to show off what's inside, making it easy for both your customers and your employees to identify and to show off your tasty goods. So you've got that nice secure lid on there that's gonna hold tightly and show off all your delicious goodness inside. So these are great for small takeout items, side dishes, things like dumplings and pot stickers, and they're gonna be fantastic for caterers, cafes, and food trucks looking for to-go options for small items, side dishes, and meals.